walk right off a cliff.
And he grabbed me by the waist and pulled me back.
I opened my eyes like there were tears in my eyes.
Never doing this in my life ever again.
Hi guys, it's day 2 in Beer and guess whose birthday it is? So we are going to go paragliding today and I am very scared and nervous
मेरे को तो ऐसा धक धक हो रहा है
as to what we're gonna do. So we currently just basically calming ourselves down and just I think the tough part is going to be actually going off the cliff, and that's what I'm scared about. And I think once that is over it should not be that scary. So what do you think? How are you feeling?
I'm feeling quite certain that it'll be safe, it'll be fun, mainly because we have an entire trip planned and we have bookings, so we have to honor our bookings by staying safe. And I feel ki Sanya is going to have two reactions when she lands. It's either going to be I'm never doing this in my life ever again, or it's going to be बस ये था, इतना सा था, ये तो मैं कर लूँगी. So this is I feel Sanya's two reactions.
We have booked like a, I don't know if it's a tour or something, so it's I think 2,000 INR we paid per person.
We paid 2,000 per person.
Your pickup from your hotel and they take you up to the takeoff site, and it also includes the GoPro filming, so they film you while you are flying. So that's that, and so we'll be now going up and see you on the other side.
रुको जरा सबर करो.
On that note, you also have to pay like 75 per person extra. It's some sort of
it's a flying pass.
It's a flying pass or something that is mandated by the government, so you can't really skip that. But these rates to have someone paraglide with you in tandem, I feel 2,000 is like a fair price for your life and their life. So see you on the other side. डर लग रहा है.
बर्थडे भी है, चोट नहीं लगनी चाहिए.
बर्थडे भी है, मेरा बर्थडे आज.
आपका भी है?
Happy birthday to you.
So you go there, they put like the harness on you, and they just give you like the instructions that you have to run really quickly. Go.
चलो चलो भागते रहो.
अच्छा, तेज भागना है.
भागते रहो.
So imagine there's a cliff. So it is nerve-wracking because you think that you have to walk right off a cliff, right? But it's not exactly that. So imagine a slope like this and you are here. So when you're running, there is it isn't like that there's nothing there. So you are not that scared in reality. So if you're running off of it, even if you fall, so there is like a slope that you would land into and you won't like plummet to your death in case you fail to do so. So I think that's the part that's going to scare most people. So don't be scared of that. Just like walk as quickly as you can. You have to run, and there's like a bit of resistance since you're running against the wind. So run as fast as you can. There's a bit of pressure that gets applied, like you have to like do like this and yeah. So then you run, and once you're in the air,
Okay.
once you're in the air, it's like super smooth sitting in an airplane and just enjoying the view. It gets really surreal how on top you are.
Parachute for ऐसे view. Okay.
And so in the start it wasn't as scary for me. What was scary was the fact when all you could see were trees. So they were like a very foresty road, and that's when I was like a little bit scared that if I fall here, then I'm not gonna make it. mid-air, my pilot asked me if I wanted to do stunts. So I had decided that no, I'm not gonna do that. Like I had made up my mind, but like he somehow convinced me. We were both birthday people, so I knew he wasn't gonna hurt me today. So I said, okay, fine, let's do it. And that's when he started the stunts. And oh my god, I legit cried in the air. So because this is how they do the stunts, right? So they like flip you around.
बस अब उतार दो
Then it's like this, it's like a fall and then you come back up. So I'm really scared of this even in like rides when like you're pushed against like this. So that scared me. My eyes were like closed the whole time, and when I opened my eyes, like there were tears in my eyes. But yeah, it was really good. The landing was super safe.
खड़े जाओ बैठे रहे आप तो
And yeah, that was my experience. You want to share yours?
So my experience was, I think it started off a little off because I wanted to fly first because Sanya said that, Shantanu, you're flying first, and I was like, yes, I have to set the example for Sanya so she can get rid of her fear. But I actually saw Sanya fly away and she actually did a good job, man. She kept running, so that motivated me. Sanya ne kar liya, main to kar hi lunga na fir. So I strapped my harness on and everything, and then he said, भैया मैं एक बार भागने को बोलूँगा तो रुकना नहीं है, and I was like, yes, okay, fine. And then we waited for a little while for the wind to actually come because it was suddenly, there was no wind, so we stood there for some time, 2-3 minutes. He said कि भैया जब wind आएगी तभी हम भागेंगे, we'll fly at the right time. So we waited, and then he felt some wind and he was like, भैया भागना शुरू करो. And then I took like 3-4 steps, and then I could feel the glider rise up, and there was so much friction in the first 4-5 steps itself. He's like, भैया कोई नहीं, रुको मत, भागो. And then I was running, and then like an idiot I thought, okay, now I should jump. So I jumped. He's like, नहीं भैया भागो. And then he was
Like
still running.
what do you mean by you jumped?
Because the slope is like this, right?
Yeah.
So I can't keep running down because the glider is taking me up. So I thought now the glider has been activated, it's time to take off. So I was running like this, and then I thought I'll do this, but you have to do this. So that was a mistake, but it's okay. Suddenly we were in the air, and he's like, भैया आराम से बैठ जाओ, पीछे सीट पे आराम से बैठ जाओ. And I was at my edge like this. And then he's like, अरे भैया आराम से आ जाओ. He's like, आराम से आ जाओ. And then I told him कि भैया मैं glider तोड़ना नहीं चाहता हूँ, मैं यहीं पे ठीक हूँ. And he's like, अरे नहीं भैया पीछे आओ. And then he held my seat and he grabbed me by the waist and pulled me back.
That did not look right.
And then I was sitting comfortably, and then we were actually gliding too close to the trees, and for a very long time I was like, fuck it, I'm almost dead here, I'm too close to the trees. And this is just like the first 10 seconds. And then once we crossed like the first wave of trees, he's like,
अभी आपको यहाँ पर स्टंट कराऊंगा
नहीं भैया स्टंट तो नहीं. Let me get acclimatized to what I'm doing right now. He's like, अरे भैया एक स्टंट करता हूँ. And suddenly he started tilting the paraglider. They're like, fuck नहीं, रुक जा भाई.
Yeah, I think they're very good at convincing you to do the stunts. So like
Yeah,
initially I was saying no, I don't want to do it, but like karo maza aayega. Then he was like, give you
sort of a teaser that how it's gonna feel like.
No, I didn't get a teaser. He even said if money is the problem, then you give whatever you want to give.
He told me the same thing.
Yeah.
So we did that, and then basically during the entire flight, it was so comfortable, I cannot tell you. It's like a fear has been lifted off. And he was telling me all about his life, that he's been flying since he was 12.
हमें कम से कम एक्सपीरियंस हो गया ना भैया, 10-12 साल हो गया यही काम करते हुए।
हाँ,
क्योंकि मैं स्कूल टाइम से ही मतलब ये क्रेज था मेरा।
स्कूल से ही?
हाँ।
So he told me that after school he used to go straight to the ground, and there were a lot of foreigners here, and he used to borrow gliders and he used to just practice.
स्कूल के जैसे छुट्टी हो जानी,
हाँ
अब छुट्टी के बाद आपको पता है करना क्या है फिर।
हाँ
तो हमने बस ऐसे ग्राउंड में आ जाना।
हाँ।
वहाँ पर मतलब काफ़ी फॉरेनर लोग होते ना, उनको देख के हमने सीख गए मतलब।
अच्छा।
अभी उनका ग्लाइडर मांग लेना,
हाँ।
जो फॉरेनर लोग होते ना मतलब मना नहीं करते थे।
अच्छा।
वो बोलते हैं ब्रो कोई बात नहीं,
ले लो। हाँ।
तो बट उसमें मतलब उन्होंने मना नहीं करनी, वो बोलते हैं कोई बात नहीं करो। ऐसे सीखते फिर कुछ टाइम के बाद आस्ते आस्ते हम भी करना स्टार्ट कर दिया हमने।
तो हम कितने साल के थे तब?
तब तो हम कितने हो गए, कम से कम मैं होगा उस टाइम 12-13 साल के थे हम।
His parents were very against it. He's like, no, I want to do this. So since 12 he's been doing this. So I have a lot of respect for people who just know what they want to do at the age of 12 and then they make a career out of it. Amazing, massive respect. And then towards the end he's like, bhaiya ek naya stunt dikhaun aapko. I was like, okay. I don't know what threads he pulled, but then I was suddenly free falling. I was like, bro, no. And then we free fall for a while, and then we activated the glider or whatever again. But this time I had like so much water in my eyes. And then the moment I realized what happened, he again killed the glider and I was free falling again. So we did that like so many times. But my landing was also nice, and he was a nice bloke. I had a lot of fun, and I'm glad I did this on Sanya's birthday. No other day I would have picked to do this. And I want to say big up for Sanya for actually doing this on her birthday. I know how scared she is. I know she pissed her pants as well, but still she
I
got to
did
do
not.
this. So I'm proud of you.
I mean, I was scared at the start, but once it happened, it was like super good.
Yeah, it was worth it.
Yeah, it was worth it. It was a
beautiful.
great start to my birthday, I would say.
And it's something you would never have thought you'd do on your birthday.
Yeah, never ever.
Yeah. But I'm glad.
I was
did
like
this.
literally joking to everybody I was talking to that if I die today, it's gonna be like a full circle
Yeah,
moment.
it does, I guess it.
Yeah.
I want to show which. So we basically came from those mountains right there.
Yeah, so these
We came from
ones.
that little.
Yeah, so you take off from there and
You
this
go.
is-
You take an entire circle there.
you can see these people. So like there's one landing and
You take an entire
yes.
circle and then you come here. So
Yeah.
basically the.
How was your landing?
My landing was actually quite smooth.
Yeah,
it
same.
might not have looked smooth, but it
Yeah, yours did not look
So
smooth.
throughout the entire ride, I kept thinking, ki, fuck, Sanya is doing this. I would have never imagined her to do this, to be very honest. But yeah, nice. So you have done this, now you can do even more crazier things.
Oh, I think that was Shantanu's intention all along.
If you have done this, you can basically do anything. Like if you have jumped from that mountain, Sanya, and landed here without stopping anywhere, you can do anything.
Yeah. Hi, so now we're at the Silver Linings.
Linings.
Silver Linings. What
You
did
said
I?
Linings.
No, I said Silver Linings.
I have VAR check.
Now we're at the Silver Linings Cafe.
Wait a minute.
The Silver Linings Cafe.
Wait. He's had a look at it, the referee, to be a steer.
And since it's my birthday, we have to get like my favorite breakfast of all time, which is pancakes. So we got pancakes and we'll actually just show you when the food comes in. So our food is here. I got some,
food is here.
My food is here. So I got some watermelon juice and we've got the famous pancakes here. I will just show you that from the top view. So these are the pancakes. They look delish.
They do. They look very
They
fluffy.
do, na? So they're like they look like buttermilk pancakes, and it has like some granola on top and some fruits on the side. Shantanu is with his masala chai, and Shantanu's food is on its way, I guess. So we'll just chill, have some conversations, and eat our food. This is Shantanu's food. This is an aubergine sandwich. I've already started eating my pancakes, so sorry about that. I was really hungry. And this is our tiny spread. That's also one meal.
Hello.
Hi.
So we are back home from paragliding. We had like a nice quick nap of about a couple of hours. Then we freshened up and now we're heading for lunch to a place called Pahadi Roasters.
Yeah, that looked like, we saw the pictures and it's giving a very Bali-esque vibe.
Yep.
So I am all for anything Bali related, especially on my birthday. So yeah, that's where we're heading. We're gonna grab some lunch and we still have to figure out what we're gonna do after that.
Yeah, we absolutely have no idea what we're doing.
So I think we're here. Maybe you can show them what it looks like.
Can't see much from here, but
Well, let me do a walking tour.
that building over there. Let's see how the food is. I'm excited now. I feel hungry.
Yeah, Shantanu was craving and I'm not gonna eat anything.
Yeah, but now I'm genuinely hungry.
Now he's hungry.
I'm always a hungry boy. After enjoying lunch, we headed back to our hostel where we tried to enjoy a game of Monopoly. But to be very frank, the only person enjoying was Sanya. You might call that birthday luck, I guess. Hey guys. So we had our lunch at Pahadi and
Actually, like really bad.
Really.
Like, as much as the cafe was aesthetic, the food was
Yeah.
Coffee was good. I'd say I had a nice latte. That was good. I ordered a katsu curry,
yeah.
which was, to be very honest, tasted like dal chawal, and it even had like just
Yeah.
huge pieces of potato floating.
I
in it.
have no idea why they put in
It
like
wasn't the katsu
pieces
curry.
of potatoes and carrots and it literally aloo tomato की सब्जी लग रही थी वो, and they had rice and one fried thin breast of chicken.
Yeah, it wasn't good. The chicken was
It
also
was-
a bit overcooked.
it was-
Shantanu, on the other hand, got Thai
Red Thai curry with steamed rice.
It was good. I won't say it was the best thing ever, but it was
I
good.
would say it was better than what you
At least
ordered.
yours was edible. After one point, I didn't feel
But
like
I
eating
didn't
mine.
really like mine because the chicken in my red Thai curry was again overcooked. And the second thing was I was expecting it to be a little spicy and not more on the coconutty side because that's what the green Thai curry is for.
It wasn't
but-
spicy at all. If I could
Yeah.
eat it, then like.
Yeah, it was absolutely mid. But yeah, and I feel cafes in general in Beer are
Yeah,
more
I think
on
they're
the-
more on the vibe
Yeah,
side than
yeah.
they're on like the food side.
Yeah.
So I think apart from June 16, I didn't like any cafe as such. Like apart from the vibe is really great. I'm not complaining about the vibe, but food wise, no,
Yeah.
that's satisfied. Given how like big foodies we are and how much we love good food, I haven't felt that it in
Did you like the food at Silver Lining though?
Silver Linings. I mean, I had pancakes.
The
so-
pancakes were nice.
So pancakes is something you can't go wrong with. Anyway,
But the
so I will
pancakes
not-
are actually thick and fluffy.
Yeah,
like.
but I will not judge a place based on how they make their pancakes.
I would say if when I
It was good.
when we were ordering pancakes, I was expecting like very thin cardboard discs, maybe 3 or 4 of them, but they actually gave us like
Yeah,
palm
like
sized.
they were like proper, like
Yeah.
American buttermilk pancakes. And Shantanu got an aubergine sandwich. That was good. I think.
Yeah,
I
it was
liked
something
that as well.
unique, but I really
Something different. You would
could
have
not-
wanted it to be spicy.
no. I was saying I couldn't taste the aubergine.
That's what
Maybe
it should be, right?
yeah, maybe
Why would
the
you like
reas-
to taste aubergine?
No, because I'm eating something that says aubergine, so it should give me a very different taste. But it was giving me a very generic sandwich taste, maybe because of the sauces they used inside, or maybe I'm just used to eating aubergine and bharta and all this. So I don't know what I was expecting. But yeah, Pahadi coffee roasters, maybe for the coffee, but definitely
and like
not
maybe
for the food.
vibe and like working from
Yeah,
the
yeah,
cafe.
yeah.
Like if you get like a coffee and dessert, I think it's good.
Yeah, but not for the food.
Not for the food. It's a very weird thought, but I feel if I open a cafe, I think that's gonna be good food if I open one here. And what else did we do? I think after lunch we just wanted to chill for a while because we had a really early start to the day and we were tired, and I anyway wanted a very chill birthday today, so we just sat in our hostel and we played Monopoly for a bit, which I wagged Shantanu's ass at. And Shantanu was like so confident that I'm gonna lose all my money and stuff, and he ended up mortgaging all his properties. So, I mean, call it luck or call it that I am really strategic at Monopoly. So yeah, I think that's all we did.
And what are your plans for the rest of the day?
Nothing, we're just at the landing site currently and just watching the sunset. Other than that, I am not even sure. I think we're gonna go to a place called Himalayan Pizza for dinner.
Yeah.
Maybe like have some nice pizza, glass of wine. Oh, I got drunk last night. So that was fun. I didn't expect to get. So we got some wine and I got like drunk after like I had like two and a half glasses.
Yeah, the wine's really strong and nice.
It's just the weather. When it's cold, you get drunk quicker. I think this is something I've noticed.
Oh.
So yeah, we had wine and then I started getting all the calls for my birthdays. We cut some cake.
How was the cake from
The
June
cake
16?
was really good. So we got the carrot cake and the banana walnut. Carrot was okay. Banana walnut was really, really good. And yeah, that's all we did. And Shantanu had brought like a small gift with us, but like so he had ordered it back in Delhi, and he didn't like let me open it, so I opened it this morning and he gave me a book that I've been wanting forever, which is like The Creative Act by Rick Rubin.
Yeah, it's Rick. It's Rick Rubin,
Yeah,
probably.
So I've been wanting that book for a very long time. The hardcover was a bit expensive, so I think that's why I wasn't getting it. But yeah, I got that and I'm really excited to read it. And books are like the best gifts anybody could ever give me. So yeah, that was a really great gift.
For some reason, that book reminds me of you and how you could benefit from it. So
Yeah, that's true.
And do you want to share how your birthday has been so far? Is it different from?
It's very different from all the birthdays I've had so far. And somewhere or the other, I wanted this. I wanted like a very chill, peaceful birthday away from home.
Yeah.
So yeah, it's really, 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 really great birthday. Just take a deep breath and plunge.
Plunge तो नहीं हो रहा है वीरे.
And Shantanu almost, yeah, like he did drop me.